Welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you are doing good. Okay, now are you ready to learn and play? Awesome, let's start. Alright, today we are going to learn about diagraph. That means two letters make one sound. Two letters make one sound. And the letters are C. You might know it as K, 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 and letter H. And you might know it as So, when we see these two letters together, they will make one sound, and the sound is ch, 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 ch. Okay, everybody, can you please repeat after me? Ch, 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 ch. Very good. Now, it's time to do the sound along with the action. So, move your arms at your side as if you are a train and say ch, 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 ch. Alright, let's do it together. Ch, 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 ch. Awesome. So, now let's see the words with the ch sound. Are you ready? Great. Okay, repeat after me. Cheese. Cheese. Chip. Chip. Chain. Chain. Chop. Chop. Chick. Chick. Chair. Chair. Cheek. Cheek. Chin. Chin. Awesome! Now let's have an activity. Identify the name of these pictures. Are you ready? Good. Let's get started. What is this? Excellent. It's a cheese. How about this? Yes, you're right. It's chip. What about this? Very good. This is chain. How about this? Good job. This is chick. What about this? You're right. This is a chair. What about this? Excellent. This is chick. What about this? Very good. This is chin. Okay, good job everyone. Alright, now it's time for riddle. Enjoy!
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is an animal. And this animal is the baby of the hen. What it could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's a chick. Yay, we did it, friends. Good job, friends. Good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
So, do you still remember the sound, the phonics sound that we learned today? Yes, very good. Good job. Alright, that's all. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.